Welcome back to the channel where we document seed bombing and planting native species across the 5 boroughs. In this video, I'm checking up on my main guerrilla garden after a thunderstorm. So maybe about a quarter inch of rain, maybe more. It depends on, the area. And due to this sandy soil, I wanted to check the penetration. And as you can see in this video, it's not deep at all. So I just wanted to make sure I'm not fooling myself thinking that a thunderstorm can take care of my watering schedule. If it's not over an inch of rain within at least a 24-hour period, in these type of soil conditions, I'm still gonna have to go out there and water it myself. So I'm just running through some plants. Wanted to get this on video. The mulch does help for some areas. So that is a big thing.